Good morning, all. Monday morning. Oh my God, I got problems online again. It's started again. I'm being suppressed on Facebook, on YouTube. I keep commenting on YouTube, and I enter, and it just doesn't. I'm being suppressed by YouTube. I don't know. I'm gonna post this bloody video now. See what happens. I'm telling you, they're all after me. As Julius Caesar said, infamy, infamy. They've all got an infamy. And then he gets stabbed over 30 times on his back. Et tu, brute, etc. Vini, Vici, Veti, something or other. Oh, God, I don't know. I knew it would happen because I've got my sort of style of me that